Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Mohanan and I'm the CFO for ATI Restorations based out of British Columbia, Canada. ATI group of companies comprises of 5 different entities ranging from British Columbia on the west coast into Saskatchewan in the middle of Canada. ATI as a company has been involved with RIA before my tenure started in 2004. We were members since ASCR days and rolling over to RIA. We are proud to be associated with RIA in more ways than one. One of our former employees by the name of Art Johnson was one of the winners of the Martin King Award back in the early 2000s. We have used a lot of the RIA contacts to grow our business from a single office to a total of 18 offices now across Western Canada. I would say that RIA has allowed us to network with people, create friendships, and also create an environment whereby knowledge could be shared without any inhibitions. As we grew, we used RIA as a sounding board as well as an idea of professional mentorship with different consultants, software applications, as well as products that came out in the industry. I would recommend anyone to join RIA for a few reasons. The first reason is a networking ability. There's always someone who knows an answer to a question that you may have. And when that is available, that makes our job a lot easier. I would also recommend people for advocacy. RIA is a very strong advocate. We are working very hard to bring them into Canada to be an advocate for the restoration contractors out there. As these contractors merge, get bigger, RIA is a great voice for the independent vendor who has limited resources. As we know, technology is changing business at the speed of light, and with RIA and its partners, we are able to keep ahead or abreast with the changes that come through.